You are watching Zack's pronunciation. The word in this video is reluctant. Reluctant. And the synonyms of reluctant are hesitant, unwilling, averse. Reluctant, unwilling, averse. He was reluctant to sell his old car because it had sentimental value. She felt hesitant about jumping into the cold pool water. The witness was unwilling to answer any further questions without a lawyer. Investors are often averse to putting money into highly volatile markets. Reluctant. And the synonyms of reluctant are hesitant, unwilling, averse. Hesitant, unwilling, averse. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more videos. See you in the next video.